Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another Bitcoin breakdown series brought to you by the Cryptocurrency Alliance. As always, I'm your host, Dave Rodriguez, one of the head traders here inside the Alliance community. Want to give a quick shout out to everyone watching the video today. We definitely appreciate the support and want to make sure that you guys mash that subscribe button and hit that like button if you haven't already. Make sure you do it at the end of this video. Now, a quick rundown of what goes on inside these daily videos. For all you newbies, of course. Since Bitcoin is king, we spend most of our time doing an analysis to see where we think it'll go next. We do take this information to make some profitable trades, whether it be in Bitcoin or on some of the altcoins. Now, we go over and evaluate some of the charts that I see setting up for potential breakouts. Also, some fundamentals we feel will matter, so we'll keep you guys as informed as we possibly can. Now, there are three things we look for when we're trading, and we are giving those away for free in our new ebook. Just here in a minute, so stick around for that. All you newbies will give you that information here in just a second. And if you've been here before and you haven't taken advantage of it, guys, make sure that you do at the end of the video. So I'm not going to waste any more time, guys. I want to jump right in. First, we're going to cover this real quick. This is Stratis, guys. They just got certified to be a partner with Microsoft. That happened, and look at it go. This is the new spike right here. It was already doing some things. We've seen this pattern many, many times play out right here, guys. I got in over here. I think it was like the 4th or the 5th. I got in over here thinking that, we saw the bottom. Tested a few more times. That was fine. My stop loss was down here. I got in a few times, and then we saw this huge spike down. Once I saw it bounce off this trend line here, I just moved my stop loss down because I was very bullish on Stratis with the rumors of this Microsoft deal, but I thought it was going to happen in here, and it didn't. So I moved it down, saw the spike happen here, and then we've seen this play out many times, guys. We've seen it squeeze in, pop out the top, and look at the news go. I was just happy to move my stop loss down. Like I said, I was a little early here. We had the spike down when we should have seen a spike up here. But either way, I just moved my stop loss down because I'm very bullish on Strat, like I said. And we saw it consolidate and pop out the top. Took a little while to get the money off this deal, guys. But like I said, I have the money to throw in and wait. And when I get into a trade, I wait for it to pay me. And I don't always move my stop loss like this, but this is a trade I believed in for the long term. So 10% is what I normally do. And if you can see, I didn't go much past that in here. I got in here, I want to say it was like right in here. So that's 12%. So not that much, I honestly moved it way down here, past this point here. Moved it down in here, so we give it some room. But it moved down here, double bottom, then squeezed out the top. So it paid off, guys. Yeah, got down a little bit. Got in a little early. I expected it to pop here, but that does not matter. We still got paid, and that's what this is about. So we're going to move on from that. We're going to jump into some charts, guys. Bitcoin, real quick, we'll go over this. We've been covering this. Bitcoin popped up a little bit. You're not fooling me. I still think you're headed down. But on another note, guys, if you look here, we got these three humps. And this could be a ugly inverse head and shoulder. So if we see this pop down to around the 78.6 and this ugly little channel wall here, we obviously are going to see more bearish, which I think is what's going to happen. We'll see a pop down, a pop up to the 61.8, and further downside. Or we could see it pop up and above this area here and break this neckline for this ugly head and shoulders, and it'll be payday. We could pop up here, hit above the 38.2, and see some more bullish movement. Let's pop over to OST, which is something we've been checking out. OST, BTC is the pair. I'm in here, guys, off the trend line. I recommend it like we always do, guys. If you can get in right off this trend line. Yesterday we were here. Today, yesterday the candle bounced down off the MAs just like we expected. So some of you might have took this entry here. And I fully expect not to break down. I fully expect it to pop up to this this area. We got 25 and 50% here. It could hit probably both of those, guys. Again, we're showing you more trades that just follow this pattern. Once the downtrend is broken, it consolidates and makes its way up. It's a slow way up, but it's up. And that's all that matters is this northern momentum. Fuel, another one I'm looking at right here. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. It popped up and out. I'm in down here. This is another one of those trades that I'm in down here. when I got into Ether Party, like I said, I saw this stuff here happening. The same pattern, the same like half of a triangle type of a thing. It squeezes in, pops out the top. Where I would recommend entering here, this is the daily, is when this candle continues to come down to bounce off the top of these wicks. You know, some might say it's already done that. I want to see a nice settle in down here and enter in to go long, because you didn't get the entry down in here anywhere, and you didn't get it before it popped here. So I want to see it come back down, retest, settle in, and pop up to these levels here. So we'll see what happens there. Last but not least, EVX, BTC, different chart setup, but that same squeeze pattern that you guys always see. Up in, this is the 4 hour. You can move even farther up. It gives you the same idea, just a slightly different trend line. But what we're seeing is this is the break. You know, I could move this trend line and kind of make this top the break, but this is the true break I want to see. This tried to climb up and get some people caught into that bull trap. I fully see this thing creating a tweezer top here with both of these wicks being long, and I see it coming back down to the downside. We can even pull a fib up and see what we're looking at. So if we make this a little bit bigger, focus in, I'd like to see it come back down here in this area. I'm looking for the 61.8. I'm going to go a little short of it because that's what I always do. I'm not going to be picky. Let's see it bounce down. We'll map it out. Let's see this bounce down. Let's see it retest this area that was broken, and let's see this nice, safe rise to the top side. And again, guys, don't jump in trades like this. This trade's way over. I got in back here, stayed in. You know, I should have put more in here when I saw this happening, because that thing truly popped up and out. This was the only entry you were going to get right here to see it to the upside. So, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed some of this free value that we're giving out. Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and set those alerts. Put the comments in the comments field below, guys, if you have anything to say about our video, have any questions, or you want to give us some tips to what to do on some of our next videos. For those newbies out there, if you look at the description below, you're going to see the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. That is going to take you straight to the ebook that has our 3 top trading secrets, what we use day in and day out here inside the Alliance community. Take advantage of that information. There's also going to be a training session that goes over a lot of useful information, not just for newbies, but for you guys out there that have been doing this for a while. And that's by Cody Sperber himself. So make sure you guys don't miss out on what Cody has to say. But until next time, guys, I will see you on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.